used a bird cracker crumbs and water and a leash. Since I really like birds, I made a bird feeder. It has the crumbs in there and with the water, and then this part they stand on because we have a I find it mockingbird nest right here, and I'll show you the other nest. I post this on YouTube. As long as they don't shift. I parked all the cars in the right way so you can see the license plate. I guess I'll go over there. Walk over there to show you guys. Once I get on the road, if I'm not a sissy, because the road's like 100 degrees. I'll show you. Okay, it's good. Still, it's like 80 degrees. It's usually like so hot I have to like put shoes on for it. And then have it burn through my shoes. It doesn't bother me though. It being too hot. Okay. This is my friend's house. You guys are probably like, oh my god. This is mine. It's an abandoned nest. Let me make sure he's not cracking. This is the first ever different egg I ever had. And yeah, super happy. I'll show you guys over here. So I have no clue what type of bird lays this egg. It's like a mockingbird, but I know it's not. The bird was brown. But if you guys would just tell me, I'd be really glad. The blue egg with red speckles. It's like brownish, but it's like the mockingbirds. There goes a mockingbird. It's like a mockingbird's egg, but bigger and different. I think it's a woodpecker, but I don't think so. Because it's a bird with nothing like a woodpecker. So, tell me what type of egg this is. I actually found this egg on the ground. Mockingbirds, I heard, taken eggs, so I decided to put it in a mockingbird's nest, but they spanned in that nest. So this adorable little egg. I don't even know. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of little bees and mosquitoes everywhere on me. Who this little guy is. I just can't wait until he hatches. But I know. His face is up here and his thumb's down here. I would think his face would be up here and his thumb would be down there. But sorry about the loud music. We did have a baby bird. He died though. He had something wrong with his insides. I don't know. Just right here. This stinks over here. Ooh, it smells like holly. Ooh, it smells bad. Okay, so did you guys write down some names in the comments for him? And I will pick one out. But I might just name it myself if I like it. I'll show you guys something scary. Oh, license plate. Is that creepy or what? I get scared to go close to it. 1 second. Without that. I'll show you this egg. So, you guys write 2 names, a boy and a girl name. And once it's born, and I figure out if it's boy or girl, I will pick one. Oh, spider web. I will pick one to name him. So I'm gonna go look for some nests to put him in, and the mom will take care of him. We get most mockingbirds around here. This is my first time I ever found of a different bird. Yeah, just comment down below and tell me what type of bird lays this egg.